Alright, welcome back everyone. And today in this video, I'm going to give everyone a microphone test with the SZC N1 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So all of the audio for this video that you guys and gals are going to hear is being recorded using the onboard mics on these earbuds. So please let me know what y'all think of the overall microphone performance. Now, a little bit of housekeeping before we dive in. So I'm using a third-party camera application. I'm using the 4K Camera Pro application, and I'm going to have a screen recording up in the video in post now, so y'all can see exactly how everything is set up. So all I've really done is launch the application, go into the audio settings by hitting on the headphones underneath the video resolution settings, and then I set it to output, or I set the audio input source to Bluetooth, and I set that to stereo audio if supported. That's all I've done, as y'all can see from the video recording or the screen recording. Other than that, this portion of the video is being recorded with the front-facing camera on the S8 Active, my mistake, and this is being recorded in 720p at 30 FPS, all right? So I just want to let everyone know that up front, okay? Also, I do have some crowd noise pulled up on my Fire Stick in the background, so after we do this portion of the video, which is done in ideal testing situations for the microphone, so we got little to no background noise right now, okay? So hopefully this audio should be really, really good. After this portion of the video, I'm going to redo something similar, but we're going to play the crowd noise. This way y'all can get an idea of how good the microphones are at isolating my voice over ambient or surrounding sounds, all right? So real quick, ideal situation settings for testing on the N1 truly wireless Bluetooth earbud microphones. Now, let me go ahead and push play on the crowd noise and let's keep talking. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now the crowd noise is going. And just for reference, I would have to say the TV is about a foot and a half away from where I'm sitting right now. So, y'all let me know how you feel the microphones are performing in this simulated crowd noise environment. So, hopefully these mics do a great job here. And I'm interested to hear your feedback down below in the comments. Okay? So, real quick, simulated crowd noise microphone test here of the N1 microphones in this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and stop the crowd noise now. Alright, and that pretty much wraps it up for this video. So as always, I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I hope y'all found it helpful. If you did indeed enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos, all right? Up next, we're going to start working on the fit and sound demo, and then we're going to start working on the full review, all right? So I'll be back with the next set of videos for y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and again, I hope y'all are having a good one. Have a great day, everybody. Peace. We're out of here.